On V3 of SPP, we introduced a brand new subscription management page. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through how you can make the most out of it. Let's get into it. Now that we're logged into our SPP workspace, let's go into our subscriptions table and see the new page that I'm talking about. If we navigate into Michael Scott's subscription over here, you'll be able to see all kinds of details about this subscription. On the screen, you're able to see all kinds of information that is relevant to the subscription, as well as the recent payments and any recent orders that they may have placed that is related to the subscription. This is going to be a lot more handy when you have request-based subscriptions and you need to keep track of which orders belong to which subscription. From here, we have an action menu that you can make use of on the top right. Interacting with this action menu shows you a handful of useful links. From the payment link, you're able to get a direct link to pay this subscription for clients who are not getting charged automatically via Stripe. It's as simple as clicking the copy button and sending them the link. The next option on the list is going to be change plan. Here, you're able to change the client's plan to a different tier of the same plan or an entirely different service if you'd like. Simply select the line item that needs to be replaced and then select the new service that is going to replace it. In this case, let's go for the basic plan instead of the starter plan. If I type down basic plan here, you're going to see that it's $1,000 a month instead of $500, and you're able to change the plan at the end of the billing cycle as well as immediately today. In this example, let's go ahead and change the plan as well as charge the difference today. If we click on preview, it's going to show you all kinds of useful information to describe how much the client is going to be refunded as well as paying for the difference from today until their billing date. Once we click on change plan, the client's plan is going to get changed and the subscription will be updated on SPP as well as on Stripe. So for the next item that we have in the action menu, we have the charge now button. Obviously, this is going to charge the subscription right now and reset the billing date to today. We can also go ahead and cancel subscription directly from over here, at which point you'll have the option of either canceling it immediately or canceling it at the end of the billing cycle. I'm not going to go ahead and do this so I can show you the next option, which is also quite a useful one. So if we go with don't cancel and we navigate back to the action menu, you'll be able to see the manage in Stripe button. In case there's anything that you need to do to this subscription that is not doable on SPP, this will take you directly into the relevant Stripe subscription, allowing you to make changes directly on Stripe. For example, if we go ahead and click on this, we're going to get loaded into Stripe, at which point we're able to see a lot more detailed information about the subscription, as well as the action menu from here, allowing us to update the subscription and make changes directly on Stripe. For example, if you wanted to add an end date to the subscription, this is where you would do that. You'd click on this button here and then select the amount of cycles that you'd like the subscription to do. Alternatively, you can select a specific day on which the subscription ends. You can also manually add a free trial period for the client if you wanted to using this button. Once you're done making any changes that you'd like to make, you can go ahead and click on update subscription and save the changes and you're good to go. Stripe has now added a cancel date to the subscription, and when the next billing date after the subscription gets cancelled comes around, it's going to update on SPP to let you know that the subscription has been cancelled. If we navigate back into SPP and we go into subscriptions again, we're going to have another example here of unlimited requests. If I go into this subscription, you're going to see all the information about the subscription similar to how I was showing you earlier, as well as the different orders that the client has made recently and their statuses when they were created and the order number. This has been a quick tutorial on how to make use of the subscription page on SPP. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to us at any time at support@spp.co and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.